So to change the pin of your Huawei Watch Fit 4 or Fit 4 Pro, simply unlock your watch and then go to the crown. And on the crown, just go to the main menu and select settings. Now on the settings page, scroll down to pin, tap on that, and then you should see the option to disable pin and also change pin. So if you tap on change pin, it's going to ask for the current pin. So enter the current pin. And then now it says enter new pin. So you now enter the pin you want to change to. So let's say I want to change to that pin. Okay. Now, obviously for me, it's too simple. It's easier to guess, and that's why my watch is warning me, but I'll use it anyway. You might want to use a better pin. Anyway, it's going to ask you to enter that new pin you want to change to again. So enter it again, and my pin has now been changed. It's really that simple. So now if I try to unlock the watch using the old pin, it won't work. I have to use the new pin to gain access. Thanks for watching and good luck.